Hi, we will see some interesting tips and tricks for Windows 10. The first one is arrow shake. I will explain what is arrow shake. Here I open multiple windows. I will take any one of the windows. If I move left and right, it will minimize all the other windows which is running on the background. Then it will be on the taskbar. So this is one of the feature. Then taskbar calendar event. For that you have to click date and time. You can select any one of the date and you can create event on the date. I am entering meeting. And you can save that. Now the event has been created. And it will notify during the time. Then another next one is snip and sketch. For that we have to press Win key Shift plus S. Win key Shift S. So it will prompt for four snipping tool. The first one is rectangular, freeform, then window snip, then full screen. I'll take freeform. You can select how much you want. Then you can paste it in Paint and you can save that images. So this is one additional feature. Then managing background application. For that you have to go to settings, privacy, background application, settings, privacy, background application. It will display what are the background application running in the PC. You can disable that. So it will improve the performance of the PC. And also improve the battery backup. Then managing notification. You can control the notification of the different application. For that you have to search notification and enter into that notification action settings. So in that, if that notification is enabled, what are the application listing below, it will notify in the Windows. You can disable that. You can also disable that. By default it will show some Windows related updates. So this will increase the performance of the PC. Then slide to shutdown. This is to create a icon to shut down the PC quickly. So for that you have to right click on the desktop, then create shortcut. Then it will ask for destination. You copy that destination. The destination has been mentioned below in the description. Next, finished. Then it will show icon will be like this. You just double click on that. If you slide down this panel, then PC will be shut down automatically. So this is one more feature. then dictation. For that we have to press Win key plus H. I'll open WordPad. Now I am pressing Win key plus H. So this will write automatically whatever we are speaking. So this is one more feature on Windows. Then Windows dark and light mode. For that you have to go to setting, personalization, color customs, settings, post, personalization, colors, then you can choose whatever you can change it to dark mode. Or custom mode. So we can select whatever mode. It will change the look and feel of the Windows. Then night mode. While you are working in night mode, to reduce the strain of the eye, we can select night mode, system settings, system display, settings, system display. You can switch on night mode, so it will reduce the blue ray from the display. Then storage sense systems. This is to automatically remove the unwanted files or temporary files from the PC. This is a new feature provided by the Windows. System storage. System storage. You can, by default it will be off. You can enable that. It will automatically detect temporary files, unwanted files, and it will remove from all the drives. And the final thing is enable guard mode. So in the for that you have to right click, new folder, you rename that folder into which I mentioned here. Then icon will be changed like this. If you double click on that, it will list all the main settings, configuration, everything. So we can utilize all those. So this is a guard mode. Thank you.